What's up, everybody? Got 2 units, got this car hemmed up. How's it going?
How are you, sir?
All right, did you give him a warning?
That's his business, not yours.
That's public information. You can just answer.
Look it up online publicly.
Oh, I'll do a sunshine request.
All right, have a good day.
What's your name? What's your name? And your badge number? Not gonna identify? Okay. I'll pull your personnel file. Put all your information out there. That's unit 20. Yeah, y'all get on out of here and get back to work. Quit harassing citizens. Piece of shit. Sorry about my language, y'all. This is revenue grab. Hey, did he give you a warning? Yeah, y'all get on out of here. Damn it. I hate it when they don't identify. We'll find out. Pisses me off to no end. Sorry, y'all. About to lose my temper over these little thugs. I was going to give you a shout out, you jackboot thug pig. We're going to find out who you are, bud. They're probably over here laying waiting for me now. All right, y'all. JC News Now. Peace.